Welcome back to Mohammad Khalid Crypto, where I break down the latest crypto market news in just few minutes. As of recording this video, Bitcoin is currently trading around $95,000, $94,000, recovering slightly after recently plugging a pivotal $100,000 mark for the first time in months. The psychological barrier has asserted for both fears and resistance until now an important support level, but the recent dip puts BTC at a 6-month low, wiping out nearly all its 2025 gains and sending the overall yearly price negative. So as you can see over here, market is currently red. Bitcoin is currently trading at $93,800, $94,000. Ethereum at $3,100. XRP $2. BNB is $905. Solana $137. Tron is 29 cents, Dogecoin is 15 cents, and the crazy part is Cardano 47 cents, which is pretty crazy. And if you want to invest in Cardano, you can do it now because the price is too good to invest. So let's check out the Bitcoin chart and analyze what can happen next and what can we see in the future. But before that, let's talk about something very important. The current market cap is 3.18 trillion, and we saw all-time high over 4 trillion and currently 3.18 trillion. So $1 trillion wiped out for market. And as you can see over here on the fear and greed index, it's 17. Extreme fear, you can say. Below 20 is extreme fear. And as you can see over here, yearly low is 11th March 2025, 15, and currently on, you can say 17. So we'll check out what happened in 11th March 2025. So as you can see over here, 11th March 2025, the big dip, then it bounced back over here, and then another dip, and then it will touch all-time high over here, as you can see. So it's the same thing like early January, the market will start recovering. So that's a great thing. As you can see over here in the Bitcoin chart, it's a very crucial support zone over here at $93,000. We can say this as a term support zone. Let's talk technicals and what charts are signaling right now. After making an all-time high above $126,000 earlier this year, BTC sharply corrected with the price driving roughly 20% from the top and forming a multi-week downtrend. Technicals are eyeing a crucial support zone between $92,000 to $93,000. You can say also $90,000 over here. You can say another support zone. So far Bitcoin bounced off 93,000 but sustained a loss of 92,000 could open the door for steeper drop. The next major downside target sits near 80,000. On the upside, if bulls can reclaim $100,000 mark, the next significant resistance is the $105,000 to $110,000 region. However, the downside risk is accelerated by weakening momentum and looming bearish indicators, notably a potential death cross on the daily chart, which if triggered often signals more extended downtrend pressure. What driving the market currently? This slide is not just technical. Several factors have amplified this bearish tone. Large-scale ETF outflows, persistent macroeconomics uncertainties, waning confidence among retail and institutional traders, a sea of liquidators as over-leveraged trades exit losing long position. Altcoins meanwhile are also under pressure, but Bitcoin's dominance has climbed to nearly 60% as investors seek stability in the flagship crypto asset. So look at what I'm seeing. Historically, extreme fear events often predict rebounds, but each cycle is unique. If Bitcoin conventionally holds above 90,000 and broader macro conditions stabilize, especially with central bank expected to ease policies by the end of this year, the bulls might mount a comeback in December, but for now, tight stops, lower leverage, and careful seizing are advised. So my final thought about Bitcoin is at a crossroads. A breakdown below $92,000 brings it to $80,000 in play, while a recovery above $100,000 could lure the momentum buyers back in and keep a close eye on volume and the key price level, as the next few days could prove decisive. If this video helps you navigate the current volatility, don't forget to like, comment with your BTC prediction and subscribe for more daily crypto updates and insight about crypto market from Mohammad Khalid Crypto. Stay sharp out there, the market is moving fast. So that's all for today guys, have a great day.